Hello everyone, welcome to your English journey. Today, I will share a short, powerful, and motivational story about hard work and never giving up, which will help you enhance your English speaking and listening skills. So listen carefully and enjoy the story. The English Journey, a motivational story for beginners. Ravi was a simple boy from a small town. He was kind, hardworking, and honest. But there was one thing that made him feel weak. Whenever someone spoke English, Ravi felt scared. His heart beat fast. His hands became cold. His mind stopped working. In school, English class was his biggest fear. The teacher spoke in English. Other students answered in English. But Ravi stayed silent. He knew answers, but only in his own language. One day, the teacher asked Ravi, Ravi, please read this paragraph. Ravi stood up. The book was shaking in his hands. He tried to read, but the words did not come out. Some students laughed. Ravi felt embarrassed. His eyes became wet. That day, Ravi decided something. I am not stupid, he said to himself. I am just learning. The decision that night, Ravi sat alone. He thought, why am I afraid of English? It is just a language. He opened his old English book. The pages looked difficult. But he did not close the book. He read one sentence. Very slowly. He did not understand everything. But he understood one word. And that was enough. Ravi smiled. I will learn slowly, he said. One step every day. The first steps from the next day, Ravi made small rules. Learn 3 new words every day, speak one English sentence daily, make mistakes. But never stop. Every morning, Ravi wrote new words in a notebook. For example, happy, strong, believe. He made simple sentences. I am happy. I am strong. I believe in myself. Sometimes his grammar was wrong. Sometimes his pronunciation was bad. But Ravi spoke anyway. The hard days learning English was not easy. Some days, Ravi forgot words. Some days, people laughed again. One friend said, why are you trying? English is not for people like us. Those words hurt Ravi. That night, Ravi cried. But then he remembered his promise. If I stop today, I will regret tomorrow. He wiped his tears. He opened his notebook again. And he continued. Slow change. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Something started to change. Ravi could understand simple English videos. He could read small stories. He could speak short sentences. Not perfect, but confident. One day, the teacher asked a question. The class was silent. Ravi raised his hand. Everyone looked at him. Ravi spoke slowly. Ma'am, I think the answer is this. His English was simple, but it was clear. The teacher smiled. Good job, Ravi. That smile changed everything. New confidence. Ravi felt something new inside him. Confidence. He started helping other students. He practiced speaking in front of the mirror. He talked to himself in English. Good morning, Ravi. You can do this. Don't be afraid. English was no longer his enemy. It became his friend. The big moment. 1 year later, Ravi went for a small interview. Before, this would be impossible for him. The interviewer asked, can you speak English? Ravi smiled and said, yes. I am learning every day. He spoke slowly. He made small mistakes. But he did not stop. After the interview, Ravi felt proud. Not because he was perfect, but because he tried. The real success. Ravi did not become famous. He did not become rich overnight. But he became brave. He learned an important lesson. English is not about perfection. English is about communication. Mistakes are not failure. They are proof that you are learning. Message for you: if you are watching this story and you feel afraid of English, remember Ravi. Start small. Speak daily. Make mistakes. Never quit. Because your English journey begins the day you believe in yourself. Moral of the story: you don't need confidence to start. You gain confidence by starting. The lesson is simple. Hard work and patience always win. Never give up, because success comes to those who keep trying. Moral line: success is not about luck. It is about hard work and never giving up. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Keep practicing English every day and never stop believing in yourself. Thank you for watching.